I'm in the pursuit of my purpose. That's why cash is attracted to me. I'ma need this caption from all this talking, cause talk cheats about auction. Get the figures? Did you figure? My karma bring me commas, so let me make it clear. This dollar's just an exchange. I'm in the pursuit of my purpose. That's why cash is attracted to me.
Yes. Let's get it. Great rising. 925. Okay. I'm a consistently successful probabilistic trader who has absolute faith in God and me and my path of limitless abundance. I only trade my strategy at key entry points, which is a result of high-level performance. I am disciplined. I'll never be broke again. I have control of my thoughts. I am the observer. I focus only on performance, not outcome ever. I am the greatest trader. Ask and it shall be given to. Seek and ye shall find. Knock and it shall open unto you. I deny error. I have health, discipline, and wealth in abundance. I know I am what I think about. I am just learning. I deserve this life. Positive, happy mental every day. I am truly limitless. I'm controlling my thoughts more and more each day. I rule my destiny. And for our strategy, we got first, start the timer, accept the risk. Second, enter one tick above or below, two-legged pullback, lower high. Third, place stop one tick at signal bar, trust the unknown. Fourth, measure risk to reward. Breathe, be present. Fifth, monitor 3-bar/1 minute chart. I am only process. Lock in 10 points near risk to reward / break even. I am only progress. 7, think heavenly, think godly. Gratitude to learn always for everything. All right, let's get it. Let's bump that auto complain real quick. Market open in a few minutes here. It's on the dog.
New year, new money, but I'm still me. These niggas gon' have to kill me. I'ma help the hood out, I'ma eat too. Gonna put some money in your pocket, I'ma beat too. It's hard to change, bitch, I am who I am. Ain't sell dope, I made $1 million off a gram. No cap, bitch, I did it with the fam. We all close, but we don't fuck with Uncle Sam. New sound, new wave, new heights. Middle finger to the red and blue lights. That's that shit I don't like. Feeling trash to make you throw away your life. I had a plan, I took a risk, I rolled the dice. I ate the pie, I ate the fruit, I ate the rice. Ain't learn your lesson if you been through it twice. Consistency was always my greatest vice. Hey, I done shot 1 million shots, nigga, stop it. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a rocket. Huh? Rent money, making a dent money. Fairgrounds, 40 for tent money. I came from nickels, dimes, lint money. Can't even count how many times I sent money. I'm in Seattle making Sean Kemp money. Huh? So, hey, hard to complain when the rent paid. Huh? Hard to complain when your money up. Huh? Hard to complain when your bitch bad. Hey, I still find a way. Hard to complain when the rent paid. Fact, hard to complain when your money up. Huh? Hard to complain when your bitch bad. Huh?
Still find a way.
I still find a way. Yeah, Lost Studios. It's not the same.
Gratitude for anything and everything. Let's keep it rolling. Literally 2 minutes until open. Stay focused, staying tuned. Let's start to do it up. Where's my timer? First, let's grab this calculator. This over here. And then let's grab a timer. Once we start, we're gonna do 10-minute focus sessions. Always checking in, making sure I'm doing. what we rocking today. Spark the green piece. Let's rock the green piece. Keep it a good mental regardless. Market is open. Let's get it. Let's go again and get it. Just keep bumping to the Russell until they call.
If it was, hey,
Finding my way.
live from NYC, Law Studios, Trev, it's different. Hey, finding my way out. Live in a self-created maze, live in a self-created box. I had to tamper with the locks, I had to run in with a fox. This y'all thought was a wolf, this y'all thought was a king. This y'all say reign supreme. Ain't got no hits, can't keep no bitch. Ain't got no friend, but niggas rich. On niggas rich, yeah, niggas rich. Yeah, they got cash, but that's about it. They was scheming, I was dreaming. They got songs, ain't got no meaning. I get high, expose my demons. I like girls that drink my semen. That shit lead to problems, that shit lead to change. Used to be scoring champ, he led the league in games. I hate I see his pain, he look like me a lot. You know it's hard to be fulfilled when you need a lot. Hey, Millie said don't be like, I just had to laugh it off. Already been like, shouldn't even laugh at all. Too much pride to make that call. You gon' trip or take that fall. You down 2-0 defense. You gon' pray or take that ball. I do both, I want it all. They still focus on the ball. Think these people care about niggas? Taxidermy on they walls. I'm the one that make the calls and the one that take the calls. Start as a player, but I end up as the one that make the balls. Niggas stop it. Huh? It's different.
Yes.
This that energy. So, what we on? Album number 6? Huh? Hey, ain't got no hits, can't keep no bitch, ain't got no cap, and niggas rich. I'm niggas rich and niggas rich. Yeah, they got cap, but that's about it. They was scheming, I was dreaming. They was scheming, I was dreaming. I get high, for my demons. I like girls to drink my yeah. We back. 500 tickets in one day. That's how this shit go.
Yo, so a quick thing that I've been doing that's pretty interesting. I've been watching back my videos. Obviously, that's why I stream in like 2x form, speeding it up for me real fast. And man, it's been pretty good. Been pretty good because even now, looking at the market, it's still moving fast right now, but to me, it's kind of moving slow since I was watching that last night. So something of interest to let you guys know.
Pop up, huh? Finding my way, hey, yo. Hey, finding my way, hey, yo. Hey, finding my way, hey, yo. Hey, finding my way.
Let's just wait till he gets out of this area.
Yeah.
5 minutes still looks like an uptrend. Let's check out the news. Oh yeah, let's start that 10-minute timer.
Come on. We just sold 500 tickets in 8 hours. It's not the same. I'm the king of New York.
Hey man. Hey man, what's going on?
Hey, there's Rod. Look at him. He's in Utrecht.
Oh yeah. I know he's not on today.
Yeah, he left. That's okay.
Yeah, he's over there. All right, my man. How you feeling today?
Hey, better. Definitely better. It was like the morning was rough. Obviously, I'm just fresh off the loss. But then, you know, you just being willing to listen to me and support and help me come back. And then I guess there's a new sale, a 50% off sale.
Yeah.
Till the 2nd of January. So that tells me that either I'm going to trade in sim through the new year, or maybe I just get one account.
Right.
At 50%.
Well, man, if you got the funds and you, more importantly, see yourself respecting your rules and ready to be you know, even more discipline, go for it.
Yeah, I think that's the thing. Second, ready to respect my rules and
Yeah, man. So you said you're
that's
only trading one contract. You're only gonna trade your system. Those are all good things. Again,
yeah,
we gotta. Whenever you get some time, man, we gotta hit up your strategy. Cause like, I like to learn new things too. Just maybe so I could see like, oh, this looks like Dave's strategy here, or same thing for me. I'm sure you guys could always tell when my strategy's showing up. But that way it will just kind of, again, we have somebody to check on us. We have nobody
yeah,
to check. It's kind of, whatever we say kind of goes kind of thing. And so I tell you, man, sometimes if you can, definitely record your screen, because then you're your fully own observer. And
yeah,
then you're sitting there and like, you're like, why? It's either why you took that in a good way or why did you take that in a bad way, right?
yeah,
And then you kind of just go through that, and I feel like obviously nothing is the same, so all we're gonna go and really end up in is getting used to the setups that we're comfortable with. And then when that shows up, obviously the mind will then be like, okay, yeah, I've seen this, been through this before, a lot more comfortable, but I feel like we gotta put ourselves through the ringer of the setups, good or bad, and then our mind just basically locks in on what it thinks we really want. And if we just keep showing it the same setup, I feel like after a while, like for me, yeah, my indicator's good, but I can spot my thing without any kind of indicator,
exactly, yeah,
So that's the main thing. Other than that, though, I think, dude, it's just knowing it's not our fault.
yeah,
You hear what
sure.
I say every time after I even have a win, decent win, big win, I don't care, even little win, oh, lucky shit. Just like to remind myself. Because even yesterday, I slipped up a bit later on in the day just because of, I don't know, I felt myself starting to think like I know. And anytime I get that I know feeling, I want to run away from the computer. You already know. Because what do you know? You're telling yourself you know this, you know that. And then it's like, it's good to have that kind of belief in your trade, but it's like it's better when it's lightweighted in there. You don't want that to be the overall belief.
Mhm.
It's supposed to be in there, but not like that. 'Cause then I feel like slowly but surely what then starts to creep in is you shouldn't be wrong. And then that leads to buildup of anger and frustration. You know we're gonna be wrong. We just gotta control it, man. And the two contract will wipe out these $1,500
I
trades.
I may have, I may still have an active account from yesterday.
Hey, check it out.
Maybe it didn't fully blow up.
Check it out. Yeah, I got some other accounts. I got a couple yesterday that I tried to just freestyle run, let it go. Didn't really work out for me. Again, that's why I say a little slip up. Because I basically just left them running, saying like, oh yeah, it's gonna come back. I didn't care about them because, $30. And I had got that PA account and then some money from them. So I was like, let me just roll a little dice with it. And that definitely put me back into humbleness, where there's no rolling of the dice. I'm always rolling the dice. It's not, I pick and choose when to roll the dice or whatnot. But just stuff like that, man.
Yeah, looks like I might still have something. I don't know.
That'll be great, dude.
So I have it set up right now. So I can take a trade in an M and Q. We'll see if I can get one off. So I'll just wait for a good setup and then see if I can take the trade.
Right.
So I did text last night a setup.
Oh, that you were looking at? I'm looking to see if
That I was looking at. It still hasn't executed. Even with this morning's open, it actually executing based on another level. What color is that?
It's tough. I was looking to take this long here. I guess not.
Yeah, I'm not looking, even though it yeah. Thinking short here.
Yeah, I was looking for a break in a new high here, but yeah. Looks like it. Now I just gotta see if it gets below that 21 EMA at about 5.4. See what happens. Oh, where are my labels? This looks like a bit of an overshoot down at the bottom there.
Yeah, I tried that account. It did not work. So I need to re-up.
Man, we just keep going until.
Yeah.
Simply until, D. There's no time frame, just say until. How long you gonna keep going? Until. Until what? Until I get to where I desire to be. End of story.
Yeah, that's right.
Alright, first 10-minute timer. Are we following our rules? Yes, we are. How are we feeling? Feeling good. Seeing any setups? One potential, but then did not trigger. So good. Would have been stopped out. And everything else is feeling groovy. Alright, let's put on another timer. 10 minutes. We take a break after this one. Stay in the flow. Set the timers to remind yourself to stay in the flow. Only take the setup. Detach from outcome. Only attachment to the setup. Is the setup good? Great. Job done. Yeah, D, what I've also said. What'd you say?
There. So that was a good short back there.
Yeah, heavy, pretty crazy.
Yeah.
You thought they would make that new high for that little uptrend they made on the side, but nope. Back to the top of the range. Basically faded off. I'm looking to see if we return back to 452. But I really want to see what happens with the EMA. If they don't test off the EMA, I'm not doing much. D, so I started watching my videos in about 2x speed
Oh, really? Okay.
Now, why I'm doing that? Just for the mental development part. I watch it in 2x
Yeah.
speed, so it's moving so fast. So when I come now, game day or trading day, right? It's moving basically slower to me right now.
Uh-huh.
So my thought is, in the future, when I develop my intuition and skills even more, me watching that
Yeah.
so fast should really let me process what I should do even faster or actually in real time.
Right.
You know?
Right.
I've been doing a little mental research on how to do mental training, and that's what I've found so far. So it's pretty interesting to me.
That's cool. Hey, I need to use the restroom. I got stuff away.
I got you.
Yeah, hold on.
See if I can push on the lower side of the bed. The second entry, just not touching anything. I was really thinking we would get that play there. Just going through the rhythm here, marking up some stuff, getting some better information. So it seems like they're going off overshoots today. Straight up reversal off some overshoots. This could be straight 2 legs down. Right here to right here. Back to the bottom of the range. Target hit. Decent trade. Just not the good setup. Not what I was looking for the setup. I wanted to see a little wick at the top of that bar. Does look like a green hanging man though, after the thought. Seems like those have been working lately. I'm gonna go back and find this red hanging man that I've been looking at. Decent retest. Alright, so let's travel back a little bit. See, these hanging mans have been getting wiped out. There was a green one that I wanted to take. There's a red one. Oh yeah, there it is. Look at this red one here. It was above the EMA. I wanted to take this one, but again, just a little sketch. And there was another one somewhere here. Oh, this one. See, they've been doing this quite a bit lately. Little hammers like that, boom. I was looking for the red, but this one was green, so again, definitely didn't find any interest. We do have a break and retest of this little range. We do expect this bottom here. Just gonna be patient here though. And these setups are just going. Another break and retest.
Oh, hey,
Sounds good. Yeah, man, that short just kept going.
Did you catch that short?
Nah, I'm not having any setup here.
Okay.
They're just going. Quite sporadic as well.
Yeah.
I'm seeing them go back to the low at the 140.
So I got my first, not my first, I think it's my second payout for affiliate sales of the Apex accounts.
Hey, awesome.
So I got $100 to the deal website. Now I got to figure out how to withdraw it.
I mean, you don't have a deal account yet?
No, I do. No, I'm in it. I'm in the deal account. I just have to figure out how to withdraw it. I haven't withdrawn yet.
Okay.
Looks like it's going to go to my bank transfer.
Right.
Yeah, so I guess I got $100 that will pay for my purchase.
Yeah, man. Every time I try to use sign up, I try to use your code, so you should get quite a bunch.
Yeah, it's $4. It's $4 each account, so it adds up over time, of course.
Yeah,
so
I
I
bought
really
like 10 of
appreciate
them.
it.
I bought 10 the other day, and the other day before that, I bought like another 10.
I didn't see all 10.
You should have seen all 10 in total.
Maybe it was all 10 in total, but it said I earned like $8.
Yeah.
So maybe it's just that's just what it is, man. But I appreciate every little bit.
Hell yeah, dude. We're getting accounts, baby. I don't get.
That's right.
As long as my guys can get accounts, I'm game.
Awesome, man. Dated quote, deal.
Yes, not at the bottom of its range yet either. Bit of a pullback coming on here. Watch out.
See it? I see it. Heard your little sound effect.
Little doorbell, yeah. We're gonna take a quick 2 to 1 minute break. I'll be right back, alright?
Okay, man. Yep.
Oh, yes. Some range activity going on here. So from here we have
the door failed to lock.
new
Please
low,
make sure it's closed and the deadbolt does not
first
lock.
entry long. That's really it so far. Alright, let's start these new timers. Get back to our stopwatch. I'd like to see this test off the 21 at 495. Doesn't look like they want to have it though. But this looks like a range to me. Right into support. Could break now. 1, 2, 3. Support on the ES. Back out, go back in there. just busting up. Just gonna wait here for a bit. Did you find out how to request that payout?
Yeah, I did.
Good stuff.
I got it all set up. Everything's working out fine. I've cleared my email inbox. I'm looking at the charts. I was curious to see if you could share your screen.
Oh yeah, man.
So I could see what your charts are looking like, and I could start charting like that.
Let me see if this will let me. Can you see that?
I have to get my Skype to work. I can see that.
All right, perfect.
Okay. Let me enlarge it. Yeah, that's looking good, dude.
Yeah, I'm just wondering.
So this is what minute chart?
This is the 2K tick chart.
Okay, 2000 tick chart.
Yeah.
And you use specific drawing tools, channel tools,
Right.
and
Just always trying to see what's going on.
okay, watching you. So this is cool.
Yeah, I'm wondering if this is just the bottom of the range here. See this white line?
Yeah.
This is bottom.
Where'd that white line come from?
I put those there, so those are all. This is the top of the range. This is the high of the day. This white line. This right here is around the low of the day. So the bottom of the
Okay.
range, top of the range. As you see, they literally bounce right back off the top there. From right here. So I'm just paying attention to that. They've bounced here, and now they've bounced here. Looking for that two-legged move up, at least. See that right there? This is one. Pull back, two. And, yeah, that target would have been hit. I don't like those trades, though, if I'm being honest. And then now what I'm looking at is this right here is most likely invalid. This is how we're breaking up and breaking through. And then I'll try to see if I could do one of these instead here. Looks like it fits pretty well. Just continuously going up. I'm just watching it. For me to take a short, I need to see this breakout, take out a high, then. But I have noticed not really happening too much as well. Let's look at this one here, right?
Hold on, I gotta shrink my screen.
I got you.
Okay, go ahead.
See this uptrend right here?
Yeah.
Usually at this break of trend right here, you should be getting another test right here up to the high, but they didn't. So just taking notice of that they're not really respecting that rule right there. They respected it right here for the downtrend. See the break? They made a new low, and then they even made another new low, which if we measure is probably 2 legs. Let's see. And again, I'm just always measuring stuff, trying to see what fits, trying to see. And as you see, that's 2 legs down right there. Boom. 1, 2. This is 1, 2 so far. Might be more, but look at this setup right here. Starting to look like this setup over here.
Yeah.
So it has my interest a little bit, but I'm also looking at my past range over here. They had some support right here. So it looks like they're breaking above it again. I might be having some trouble. Alright, first 10-minute timer. Let's see, let's set another 10-minute timer. Yeah, man, I'm just watching anything here. That's really it. What I'm really looking for is potentially for it to get back up here and try to fade that short. They are giving me this drop down pressure, which I was interested in, but again, they're testing right off my support here. I've seen this happen right here and then came right back up. This one, however, though, is second entry short. I am debating on taking it. It's just getting volatile now. My 5-minute is pushing up, not going down. My ES chart is pushing both ways. So again, that's what helps me not really get into this trade. I want to see all my time frames really aligning. Yeah, we have a break in a new high. I want to see what really happens here. Because to me, technically, this is a new extreme here. I just see them really messing around with it and not necessarily giving a setup. You see, dude, I always have these markers here, so again, I'm not too want to use my brain power too much to see what's going on. Then when I recognize the trade, second entry short is looking decent. I might try a little one here. If I get stopped out, it's alright. Roll on probability, it goes back to the bottom, or at least to this 21 EMA. Target 1480. Let's go. All right. Dude, this is nuts.
Look at you, man.
All right, I'll take that. 570. There we go.
Nice job.
Yeah, dude, you seen that?
Yeah, I totally saw that. It totally, it was awesome.
Yeah.
You were ready to pounce. Did you get out of it already?
Yes, sir. Right in and out. Again, because I saw it get so volatile, I don't want to be in there with the $1,500 drawdown. This thing could easily come back up and slap me in the face.
Yeah.
I'll take that 500 and call it a day for my take profit. So yeah, man, that's, as you see, I literally just brought you through my whole thought process.
Yeah, I love that. I want to just stay a student and watch this.
Yeah, dude,
I'm also trying to set up my charts to look like yours right now too.
All right, perfect.
Yeah,
all these,
how do you get your trend line yellows to fill in between? You know, you got your dark lines. I got my dark lines, but I'm trying to figure out how to make the opacity between the two lines.
Oh, so look at my properties here. You see this opacity area? I put it to 12 usually.
Oh, I see. Okay.
And then I just changed the color here, and I changed the trend color and the parallel color.
Okay.
All right, give me 1 second here, D. Yeah, guys, so great stuff today. We back on tomorrow. Quick 570. Let's get it.